Hello guys, welcome to a channel called Scarabyte, and firstly that I want to say you that you can subscribe and I don't know, like follow my channel and put something in description, look in the description and put something in the comments, yeah. So today we will discuss with you some secrets on YouTube settings. I think that you don't know it, yeah. So firstly, when we enter in our channel dashboard, there are channel analytics. So yeah, you can think your current subscribers, yeah, like statistic in last 28 days, like for 4 weeks, yeah, latest comments and summary views and watch time hours. Also, it's very important the watch time, exactly hours, yeah, for good monetization and motivation. I think you need to have 4,000. So yeah, I think you don't know about how to change the theme appearance. Yeah, you can like go there, click and appearance like dark. You can put light theme or dark theme. It's yeah, it's not that hot, yeah. So if you don't have any ideas for make some videos, I don't know, you can make money with ads, and here are some ideas. The YouTube propose you some ideas, yeah. Also, you can watch the statistic with latest video performance here and latest 6 videos, yeah. Also is important. Let's see the content, and yeah, I said for you how to schedule, yeah. So you can also schedule your videos and put into playlist. Also is important, so you can create some playlist and like YouTube settings and visibility, public, private, or unlisted. So yeah, like public, and here we can some add some videos. Yeah, it's if you want to. Also is you can use this, and it's pretty simple, yeah. So let's move on and let's talk about analytics. Also, it's important topic here, yeah. You can see the top videos in some periods, yeah, and average view duration. So you can see your higher statistic like Monday for April, yeah. Also, you can see the impressions, the impression click through rate, views, and unique views, yeah. Traffic source types. So yeah, you guys, 62 persons don't subscribe to me, so please subscribe, guys. Also, traffic source external. A lot of people from VK, Anime Go, and Reska AG watch my videos, so thank you very much. So impressions and how they led to watch time. So views from impression, watch time from impression hours, engagement, yeah, audience and research. Also, you can just watch top geographies. Yeah, so Russian people see my videos, watch, and thank you very much. So also United States, Belarus, Moldova, and yeah, thank you very much. And my audience is like 18 to 24, so 18 to 44, I mean, and no subtitles. So what? Not subscribed 98% of my audience, or close to 99. What? Guys, subscribe me, please. Yeah, I think it's enough for today. Thank you very much for watching. You were on channel called Scarabyte, and bye bye. See you soon.